In Module 4, our topic is the integumentary system. Now keep in mind that the integumentary system is an organ system. And so we're going to see for the first time in this class a group of organs that are working together to fulfill a common function. The integumentary system consists of the skin and the accessory structures. The skin refers to two layers, the epidermis and the dermis, while the accessory structures, like the hair, the nails, and the glands, have supporting roles for the skin. The skin is one of the largest single organs of our body. In the average person, it weighs an impressive 10 pounds, which corresponds to about 7% of our total body weight. It has an average surface area of 24 square feet, which is approximately the surface area of the top of a full-size mattress. And we'll see that it varies in thickness from 1.5 to 4 millimeters. To put this in perspective, a single penny is 1.5 millimeters thick, so skin thickness varies between 1 and 3 pennies. We'll see that the skin is thicker in some regions and thinner in others. So as we have seen previously, the skin consists of two layers. The epidermis, which is the superficial layer, while the dermis is the deep layer of our skin. Below the dermis is a layer called the subcutaneous layer, which is also referred to as the hypodermis. While it does have the name dermis in it, it is technically not part of the integumentary system. The diagram that you see here does not show the full extent of the hypodermis. So often the hypodermis is much thicker than the epidermis and the dermis combined. The hypodermis is mostly composed of adipose tissue and blood vessels. It functions in physical protection for the deeper tissues, as well as insulating the body against heat loss. So deep to the hypodermis, we would find skeletal muscles, which function to generate our body heat. So it would make sense that we would want an insulation material located superficial to them. So how is it all arranged? From superficial to deep, we have the epidermis, the dermis, and the hypodermis, which again, the hypodermis is not technically part of the skin, followed by the skeletal muscles, and finally, at the deepest parts of our tissues, we see, or the deepest regions of our body, we see the bones and the bone tissue.